Okay, welcome back. In this video, we are breaking down GBPUSD, EURUSD, gold and silver for the new trading week, focusing on higher time frame structures and key levels that may influence price action. Now let's move over to the chart. Now let's begin with GBPUSD. So this is a new week, and this is currently Tuesday morning over here, and we're about to look at what we are looking forward to this week on these pairs. Now on GU, we can see from the weekly time frame, following our monthly bias of a bearish structure, and we can see right here on the weekly time frame, price had a very strong bearish close last week. Price had a very strong bearish close last week, and from that, price created a breaker block. So right now, we can see Monday has actually entered into the breaker block structure and is currently rejecting. Now, we are currently on that level. My direction for this week on GBPUSD is actually bearish, a bearish structure. So right now, I want to see GU sell to take this low and then possibly take this level. So I want to see GU take this level, this one here, and also this level. Now I take from the daily time frame. So from that weekly breaker block, I can't take it directly. So I have this level right here to sell GBPUSD. So I have this breaker block here to sell GBPUSD, and also this FVG that is present here to also sell GBPUSD, and also this whole structure as a whole. So this level right here is a place I'm very interested in to sell GBPUSD. Now another thing is, from the weekly breaker block that we are currently coming from that weekly breaker block, if price can give me an engulfing right here, then I will not have to wait anymore for price to come into this FVG. So if price can give me an engulfing on the daily candle, let's say today's candle closes bearish below this Monday's candle, then I'll be looking to take a sell from here. Or maybe it doesn't close below today, which is doesn't close below using Tuesday's candle, then it closes using Wednesday's candle, so something like that. So that is what I'll be looking forward to see GBPUSD. On the weekly time frame, we have a breaker block. Then I have two levels that I expect price to sell to, this level 1 and this level right here. So that being said, I expect to enter from the daily time frame, and I've got two expectations on the daily time frame, which is price giving me a sell around this level where I have this breaker block, FVG, and other block present, or price gives me an engulfing confirmation right here, then I sell from that level. So that's what I have on GBPUSD. Now over to EURUSD. Now on EURUSD, if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see something right here. From this previous structure where we have price give us a confirmation on this breaker block and FVG, price came back and took out this low. So taking out this low without giving us anything, any clear any clear buy move from the weekly time frame. So we can see that we also close bearish on the weekly time frame, but we are bullish. I don't see any bearish reason on EURUSD. So over to the daily time frame. So if we move over to the daily time frame, we can see something right here. We see that price created this last week and failed. Then we have the structure right here, which price taps into and bought from this level right here. So currently we're buying from this level to see price take out this high. So that's what we have on EURUSD right now. So currently we can see this current level right now. So I'm also looking to see price buy from this level and higher today. So I want to see price buy from this level and higher. So that is what I have on EURUSD on this daily time frame. I want to see buy from this level and send it up. So that's what I have on EURUSD. On EURUSD, I'm currently bullish. And we've already tapped into an order block on the daily time frame, and then I want to see price move from this level right here, this level right here, and send it to this previous high right here. So that's what I have on EURUSD. Now if we move over to gold, we can see that gold has been moving so fast since the week opened. So we can see that we are currently at this level. So what can I say that I am expecting on gold? So we're bullish on gold, that's for sure. We're bullish. So being bullish, we don't know where price intend to retrace to before it continues and it move. So to continue this buy right now on gold, where I'm expecting price to come into is this breaker block right here, which is this purple line that I drew here, or any of this FVG that is being created right here. We have this FVG currently present, and price is about to create another one, which is not confirmed until this Tuesday candle closes. So if price should come into any of these FVGs, then I'm looking to buy from there. If price gives me something on that FVG that I always look out for when trading FVGs, and if price comes into this breaker block or this other block and give me something I always look out for when I trade other blocks and breaker blocks. So that is where I have an interest in continuing this trend. Right now we all know that the chances of all-time highs are very, very high right now. So we're all trying to ride this to the all-time highs. So that is what I have on gold this week. I'm bullish and I want to see price keep buying until we get to the all-time highs. The fact is, we don't know how long that's gonna take, but we have to wait for it. Be patient. So we don't know if it's gonna take 2 weeks, maybe it's gonna take 3 weeks, but we are bullish until price indicates I don't want to go bullish anymore. So that being said, we all have to just wait and execute when the time comes. So over to silver. So on silver right here, we can see from the weekly time frame. Let's move on to the weekly time frame. So From the weekly time frame, you can see something right here. We close pretty bullish, and if we move over to the daily time frame, we can see that we are also trying to get to the all-time highs after we took this low. We swept this low, and now we want to get to the all-time highs. So the thing I am looking at is not okay. This is where price is going to. This is where price is not going to. No, we're trying to get to the all-time highs. So that is what I am expecting, because that's what my technical bias is showing me. So the fact that it's showing me this doesn't mean I'll just jump into any buy, or if it was a sell, jump into any sell. So I know that price moves in impulsive, then retraces, then impulsive, then retraces. So that retracement gives us an opportunity to join the trend. So right now we have an impulsive move where we have taken this high right here, and then we should expect a little retracement, then we continue, or price can just keep buying from this level. But price always retrace when it's moving, so we don't know when the retracement is going to come. So if price should retrace at this point, where am I expecting price to get to before I say I can buy? Any of these FVG points is a good area for me to look for to look for an entry to continue the impulsive move after a retracement, or price coming down to this other block right here. It's a good level for me to look for an entry to continue the impulsive move after the retracement. So right now, silver I'm bullish, and all I have to do is just wait. We are currently trending in an uptrend, and price is moving. So all we're just doing is waiting to see price retrace, and after a retracement, then we can look for an entry to continue the trend. Same thing on gold. We are currently bullish, and are just looking for a retracement to continue the trend. So that's all. So on GBPUSD, I'm currently bearish, and I am expecting price to retrace. So I have levels where I'm looking at for price retracement into that levels, then I can sell. On EURUSD, I'm currently on a level where I believe that price can buy from. So I'm just expecting price to buy from that level. If it doesn't buy from that level, it indicates okay, I don't want to go this way. Then I say okay, yes, price doesn't want to go this way. So we change bias and look at what price is telling us. So currently price is telling me okay, I'm on this level and I intend to buy from this level. According to how I approach the market, that's what it's showing me. So I'm currently bullish to move from that level. So these are all I have for the week. On EURUSD I'm bullish, on GBPUSD I'm bearish, on gold and silver I'm also bullish. So we just hope this week comes out profitable. But all we have to do is be patient, disciplined, and execute. And I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a profitable week. Have a nice day. Thank you.